patreon.com/donate.
Whether you accept God is real or not, I'm sorry, He's still there. And the fun part about people who don't believe in Allah is their not believing is my proof that there's a God. If you say there is no God, wait a minute, why are you bringing, what's this God thing? Oh, there is no creator of the heavens and the earth. There is no Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Al-Malik Al-Quddus Al-Salam Al-Mu'min Al-Muhaymin Al-Aziz Al-Jabbar Al-Mutakabbir Al-Khaliq Al-Bari Al-Musawwir. I think you're right. Someone has to negate it so it could be there. La ilaha illallah. When an atheist asks me, what's the biggest proof there's a God? I just kind of stare at him for a little while. And then he smiles. What are you staring at? I said, you asked me what's the biggest proof that there's a God? You are. The fact that you're talking to me and have a frontal lobe that's making higher decisions, bro, that's a proof of God. The fact that you are arrogant and have a dominance feeling, you're